Hello, my name is Amitai Ziv. I'm the founder and director of MSR, the Israel Center for Medical Simulation, one of the leading simulation centers out there in the world. We've been working very strongly on the field of TTT, Train the Trainer, where we've trained by now over 2,000 instructors on the Israeli healthcare front, from physicians to nurses to paramedics, pharmacists, and any health professional that you can think of. My intention of this video is to invite you to the famous international TTT course that Messer runs, which is a very invested course that we've gained a lot of experience in, to actually train professionals who are doing their first steps or even advanced steps in the field of simulation-based education.
Hello, Mr. Shapiro.
Hello.
My name is Ben. I'm your nurse today. How are you doing?
Very good.
Good.
Go home.
Yes, yeah, we need to talk about going home, so
Nice
I'm
to
glad
meet
about
you.
that. A pleasure to meet you.
This guy took my glasses. Hey, you! I'm talking to you!
Hi.
He took my glasses!
You took your glasses. Sir, your glasses are right here. Can I
What?
help you? Your glasses are right
Okay.
here. Can I help you put them back on?
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
Who are you?
Hi.
Hi. My name is Rochelle. I'm the charge nurse on the unit.
As we speak, by the way, at Messer, just for you to know, and the place seems very quiet. There are 100 people being trained here, and at least 20 instructors are here, and Messer's staff is about 40 people. The place is full. Okay, and there are days with 200 people here on the training instructor side. What we offer in these courses is a very thorough, structured introduction and training to the field of simulation-based education. We are pretty much unique in our model of debriefing. We are very heavily relying on video-based debriefing. Our courses are not only about the way to provide feedback, but rather to enhance the feedback via simulation-based video debriefing. And this is the unique expertise that you will come out of such a course.